I bought pre-finished Baltic birch, but I still want to seal all the ends around the shower pan. Here's the final showing of the Baltic birch floor installed. Pretty good trim lines on the edge. I have not sealed the edge yet. This is where the stainless shower pan will go. The left side will be the toilet cabinet. The two doors will open up and I'll have full width of the floor for the shower pan. And then the galley will be right there, which will have a Dometic cooktop and sink combo glass top. And there is our second row seating brackets. Here is the slider door opening. I still will have to put a piece of trim, and I'll have to put a small piece of foam in that corner piece right there. Then I'll run a piece of trim across the front edge. Once again, thanks for watching. Next step will be the vinyl flooring. Have a great day.